Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this session, we'll solve this puzzle. So in a family, there are 6 members: Anil, Sunil, Ravi, Priya, Meera, and Neeta. So Anil and Sunil are brothers. So Priya is the only daughter of Ravi, who is their brother. Meera is the sister of Priya, and Sunil is the son-in-law of Neeta, whose husband passed away. So the main question is, how is Meera related to Ravi? So take your own time and try to solve your answer and comment your answer as well before seeing the actual solution. So I hope you given a correct answer for this, and if not, please check your answer and you can correct yourself. And if you have any queries that regarding our answer, you can also comment and make some discussion on it. Okay, so here goes the solutions. So in this family tree, clearly mentioned Anil and Sunil are brothers. So Ravi is the brother and Priya is Ravi's daughter. So here Meera is Priya's sister and Ravi's niece. Sunil is married to Priya, so is the son-in-law of Ravi. Neeta is Sunil's mother-in-law, but her husband relationship is not specified in the given information. So Meera is related to Ravi as his niece. So this was the solution provided to you. Hope this information helpful for you. So if you wanted to correct us, comment in the comment section. Thank you.